You got a large rate increase from your Medicare Supplement company and you're wondering, can I switch to a competing plan, a competitor, and potentially get the same plan at a lower rate? But you're worried about trying to do that because you've already met your deductible. So if you have a high deductible plan G, which has become a lot more popular this year, your deductible is almost $3,000. So if you've already met your deductible, you're unlikely to want to change because in your mind, that deductible will probably reset. That is not true. So if you've met the deductible and you want to switch to another plan, you've already met the deductible. It's a calendar year deductible. It's not a plan deductible. Now, if you're moving from company A to company B might not necessarily know you've met your deductible, and you might have to show your statements to prove to them, hey, I've already met it. So it might be a little bit of work, but you don't have to worry that you can't move in the middle of the year because of already meeting your deductible. So let's say you have the most popular plan in America, G, or you have an old, used to be the most popular plan in America, Plan F. Plan F didn't have a deductible. So if you want to move from F to F, you can do that at any time of year if you're healthy enough. Again, that's the problem. In some states, you can do it regardless of your health surrounding your birthday or your anniversary. When I move from G to G, you've already met your G deductible. G deductible in 2026 is $283. That goes to Medicare. So you didn't give it to that insurance company. So when you switch to another G, you don't have to meet their deductible. You've already met the Medicare Part B deductible, the money with Medicare. And so you'll get a new Plan G mid-year. You've already met your deductible with high deductible Plan F, high deductible Plan G. So they always reset calendar year. So every January, boom, you've got a new deductible to meet. The deductible is something people need to talk about because all your care at the end of the year, those last 3 months of the year, you have to say, do I need to do this now? Or could this wait till next year? Now, if you've already met your deductible, heck yeah, you want to get everything done. But if you haven't met your deductible for the year, maybe you want to push it off into the next year. And this is math that you have to do every year. And you've probably been doing this with your deductible at work, especially if you had a family deductible. It's kind of in the back of your mind. Have we met it? Have we not met it? And should we get some more care now at the beginning of the year or at the end of the year because we've already met it? Or should we wait until next year? So when you have more questions, you want to talk more in depth, you could always email us your questions, hello@the_Medicare_family. Or if you're getting ready to start Medicare and start the whole process, you can book a free appointment with our team. Go to our website, medicarefamily.com. There's a yellow button. Schedule your appointment. We're licensed in all 50 states. Our help is free. We're independent contractors, not affiliated with the government. We can help you through the process. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.